In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background image in Mailchimp. By the end, you'll confidently place a background image behind your content so your campaign or landing page feels polished and on brand. I'll guide you through the exact clicks, and along the way, I'll share quick tips to keep your design clean, readable, and fast to load. First, open your Mailchimp account and head to your main dashboard. Make sure you're in the correct workspace so you see the right assets. From here, look for campaigns. That's your central hub for emails, landing pages, and other marketing pieces you've created. Click Campaigns to view your list. If you manage a lot of items, use search or filters to find the one you plan to update. Next, click the specific campaign you want to add a background image to. This process works great for landing pages and can also apply to templates within campaigns that use the builder. Open the item you plan to change so you're looking at its details and settings. Once you're there, look for the option to edit the layout. Now click Edit Design. This opens the design builder where you'll see a live preview of your page on one side and editing controls on the other. The preview helps you confirm that your background image supports your content rather than fighting with it. Inside the builder, click Style. The Style panel controls the global look and feel, things like typefaces, colors, and the overall page background. Because a background image affects the entire canvas, this is the right place to make the change. Within Style, click Body. Think of body as the foundation of your page. Adjusting body sets the backdrop for everything else, so this is where you'll assign the image that appears behind your blocks and sections. If your design currently shows a solid color, we're about to swap that out for an image. To do that, click Add an Image instead. This switches the background from a color fill to an image-based background. At this stage, it's a good idea to choose something subtle and brand aligned. Backgrounds should support legibility, not overpower headlines or buttons. Soft textures, gradients, or lightly patterned images often work better than busy photos. Also, aim for a web-optimized file so your page loads quickly. When the Content Studio opens, click on the image you want to use. If it's already in your library, simply select it. If you need to upload it, you can add it to your library first, then select it here. A width in the range of about 1200 to 2000 pixels typically covers most screens nicely, and keeping the file size under a megabyte helps performance. As a quick check, look for good contrast between the background and your text areas so everything remains easy to read. With your image selected, click Insert. You'll see the background update in the preview. Depending on the design, you may notice options in your editor for alignment, scaling, or repeating. Choose settings that keep the focal area of your image visible while maintaining text readability. If parts of the image crop on smaller screens, that's normal. The key is that the overall texture or tone still enhances the design without distracting from your message. Once you're happy with how it looks, click Save and Close. This applies your background image and returns you to the broader design view. Take a moment to scan your layout. Headlines, body copy, and buttons should be crisp and clear against the new backdrop. If anything feels hard to read, consider using stronger text colors in your blocks or selecting a more neutral background image and repeating the same process to insert it. And that's it. You opened your campaign, edited the design, navigated to style and body, switched to an image background, selected and inserted your image, and saved your changes. Keep your background subtle, optimize images for speed, and protect contrast for accessibility. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.